Today, you're going to learn how to sell on Amazon from scratch in 2026 step by step, even if you have no experience and want to start from the basics. If you think selling on Amazon is complicated or requires a lot of money, this will break it down in a simple and practical way first. You need to understand how it works. Amazon is a marketplace where you can list products and sell them to millions of customers. You don't need a physical store, and in many cases, you don't even have to handle shipping yourself. Now let's go. Step by step. The first step is creating your seller account. You go to Amazon and sign up as a seller. They will ask for basic information like your name, email, identification, and a bank account where you will receive your payments. Once your account is set up, you're ready to start. The next step is choosing what to sell. This is one of the most important parts. You don't want to pick products randomly. Instead, you should look for products that already have demand, but not too much competition. For example, products that people use daily or that solve a specific problem. It's also important to choose products that are easy to ship and not too large or fragile. After choosing your product, you need to decide how you want to sell it. There are two main ways. The first is reselling, where you buy products and sell them at a higher price. The second is creating your own brand if you're just starting. You can begin with generic products to test the market. Now comes sourcing your product. You can work with local suppliers or use platforms like Alibaba to find manufacturers. The most important thing is to make sure your product has good quality, because on Amazon, reviews are everything. If your product is bad, you won't last long. Now let's move to creating your product listing. This is where you upload your product to Amazon. You need a clear title, high-quality images, and a description that actually sells. Don't just describe the product, explain the benefits, what problem it solves, who it's for, and why someone should buy it. You can also use tools like ChatGPT to help you write better descriptions and more persuasive text. Next is shipping. Here you have two main options. You can handle shipping yourself, or you can use Amazon's system called FBA. With FBA, you send your products to Amazon, and they handle storage, packing, and delivery. They also manage returns and customer service. This makes the process much easier, especially for beginners. Now let's talk about pricing. You need to analyze your competition. Check how much similar products are selling for, and find a price that is competitive but still profitable. At the beginning, many sellers lower their price slightly to get their first sales. Now let's talk about what happens when you get a sale. When someone buys your product, Amazon processes the payment. If you're using FBA, Amazon ships the product automatically. If not, you'll need to ship it yourself after the sale. The customer can leave a review, and this is extremely important because the better your reviews, the more you will sell. That's why product quality and customer service matter so much. Now let's talk about traffic. Even though Amazon already has customers, you still need to optimize your listing. You can use the right keywords so your product appears in search results. You can also run ads inside Amazon to get more visibility. This can help you get sales faster. Another important factor is consistency. Don't expect to make money on the first day. Selling on Amazon is a process. You will learn, improve, and adjust along the way. Over time, you can scale, you can sell more products, improve your brand, and increase your income. And finally, think long-term. Don't just focus on selling one product. Focus on building a brand, something people recognize and trust. That's what makes your business more stable and profitable, and that's how you can start selling on Amazon from scratch in 2026, step by step, without experience. But with the right strategy, patience, and consistency,